Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Pisces. Okay, so Pisces placements, this is your love reading ngayong October. Yeah, focusing, okay? Focusing sa past slash current and new person, okay? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page, okay? Kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa saan ba? Private reading. Okay. Message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yes. Okay, tayo mag-start. Pisces. Okay, di ba? Pisces. Oo. Pisces placement. Okay. So, unahin natin si new. Okay, new muna. New person. Okay, so, di ba? Hindi ready. Okay, so okay. New person. Anong meron? Okay. Okay. New person ng mga Pisces, anong meron? New person ngayong October. Yes. Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, travel. Siguro yung person mo, once niya, or yung person mo, itong new person na paparating, siguro gusto nila mag-travel, they want to travel, they want, maybe, no? Sumakay ng airplane, oo, mga ganyan. Okay? Specific yun, ha? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, I guess itong taong to pwedeng malayo. Okay? Malayo sa'yo. Pwedeng ganyan. Or maging LDR or something like distance. Okay? Age gap. Mga ganyan. Distansya. What more? What else? Ice Queen. Okay. So, pwedeng I think this is energy ni Libra. Okay, energy to ni Libra, si Ice Queen. I think this is parang si tawag dyan, Queen of Swords. Pasensya na po ha, lutang. Queen of Swords. Tapos meron control sa ilalim. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Okay. Ano bang meron pagdating sa kanya? Anong meron sa person na to na parating sa'yo, Pisces? Madistansya. Oo, madistansya. Pagdating sa taong ito. Anong meron? Okay, the Three of Cups in reverse. Okay, so parang friends. Okay, mag-start as friends. Mga ganyan. Okay. And yeah, the Nine of Coins in reverse. Itong taong to, pwedeng mahilig magbigay. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng sabihin nating may pera or sabihin nating responsible. Okay? So siguro, kaya ganan, tawag dyan, parang may distansya kasi pwedeng marami siyang mas inuuna kaysa sa'yo or mas uunahin kaysa sa'yo. Okay, yeah, that's a signal, that's a message. Oh, diba? Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang emosyon niya towards you. Deep, deep down. Kasi nakikita natin, napaka-cold, no? The Ice Queen, I think. Tingnan natin. Okay. Emotions niya towards you. The Six of Wands. Okay. This is energy of attention or, yeah. Okay, may ang tawag dyan, may paghanga. Yan, ganyan. 6 of Wands, the 9 of Wands. Okay, yeah. I think itong taong ito, kahit gaano ito, kadistansya sa'yo, mag-open up at mag-open up yan. Like, magbababa sila ng guard. Okay, sabi ko sa inyo, pwedeng may pera itong taong to. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng, ito may commitment. Okay, may commitment na. Yes. Okay? Hindi yan para sa lahat. Or sabihin nating masyadong busy, stable, parang ganyan. See? Diba? Puro money. Pwedeng earth sign. Earth sign, water, fire. Okay? So, ano pa emosyon mo towards them? Okay? Anong emosyon mo? Pisces. Ang init. Okay. Anong emosyon mo, Pisces, para sa kanya? The Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay. And the Eight of Swords. Control. Are you controlling? Pwedeng i-control mo yung emosyon mo para sa taong to. Okay? Like, the Ace of Wands, this is, sabihin nating may pagkahumaling ka. Okay? May pagkahumaling ka doon sa tao. Okay, Pisces? I don't know. So, siguro, sa distansyang ibinibigay niya sa'yo, doon parang gugustuhin mo eh. Okay? Gugustuhin mo, like, I think, challenge yun for you. Okay? So, ano ang magiging next action niya towards you? Okay, next action. Strength in reverse. Okay, pwedeng Leo. The Knight of Wands. Oh no. Oh my gulay. Okay. Strength in reverse and the Knight of Wands in reverse. So, I guess parang magiging open na lang din siya. No? Parang kung anong galaw mo, yun din ang galaw niya. Okay? So, nandaan yung parang yung tawag dyan, kung anong tugtog mo siyang sayaw. Parang ganun. My goodness. Okay. Tingnan natin. Outcome. Oo. Anong outcome? Hindi ko alam. Parang wala akong makita ditong magandang message. Oo. Tingnan natin. Outcome nyo. The Two of Coins. Juggling. Bakit ganun? Oo. Bakit ganyan? See? Okay. Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. Okay. Nandoon yung parang hirap ka or pareho kayong hirap na tapusin. I don't know why. Okay? I don't know kung bakit kailangang tapusin itong connection. Tingnan ko, anong dahilan? Anong dahilan bakit kailangang tapusin ito? Kasi yun nga, pwedeng ang tawag dyan, yung isa ay sobrang busy, ganyan. Okay. Anong dahilan bakit kailangan tapusin? The Six of Coins. Oh, okay. So, I guess, and the Ace of Cups in reverse, I guess meron itong parang hindi ito yung right timing. Okay? Merong something na parang pinag-focusan yung isa sa inyo. Okay? So, that's why hindi maibibigay yung love offer talaga. Okay? Para itong I don't know. Ha? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Hindi ito yung right timing para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, siguro magtatagpo lang kayo nito, ganyan, no? Okay. So, yeah. Ayun ang aking nakikita for the new person na pwedeng dumating. So, I guess hindi ito long term. Mabuti naman. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa sa past. Okay, past slash current person. Okay, so ano bang meron? Ako'y windang. I'm so sorry, Pisces. Okay. Okay. Anong meron sa past slash current person mo? So, who's the person on your mind, Pisces? Tingnan natin anong gusto niyang sabihin. Okay. Anong meron pagdating sa oracle na to? It's time for me to heal now. Yes. It's time for me to heal. Okay? O, yan. So, what else? What else? Okay. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Yan. Okay. Bongga. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano bang situation. No, tingnan muna natin ano bang meron sa person mo na to para malaman mong siya nga ito. Okay, Pisces? The star, pwedeng Aquarius. Yeah, they're like healing. Okay? Some of you, this is a past person. Okay? It's time for me to heal now. Ang lakas ng energy ng Aquarius dito, Pisces. Okay? Okay. Ano tong the star? What's with the star? Alam nyo, I think tingin mo or tingin niya sa'yo, ikaw yung parang star. Oo, nandoon yung attention, nandoon yung attraction. Yes. Okay, paano ba? 'Di ba kapag may bituin kapag tinitingnan mo, 'di ba? Ganun. Hinahangaan, mga ganyan. Okay? What's with the star? Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Okay. So, I guess nandito yung the King of Wands, ito yung something like may dark side. Okay? May darks, nangangatal yung kamay ko. Okay, may dark side. I don't know why ko na yun. Ano tong King of Wands in reverse? Yeah. See? The Devil. Welcome to my dark side. Okay. So, this is Aquarius and Pisces. No. Capricorn. Okay. So, the Three of Swords in reverse. So, maybe someone is talagang itong taong ito, itong past na to or current na ito is just focusing pagdating sa healing. Okay? Merong obsession dito, Pisces. Merong obsession dito. Merong gumagawa ng hindi tama. Okay? Ano bang nangyari sa situation? Ano bang meron? So, kinuha lang natin kung anong meron sa kanya. Sa sitwasyon nyo, anong meron? The Seven of Cups. So, there's confusion. A lot of confusion. Oo. Okay. So, yeah. See? The Ace of Cups in reverse. Why? Parang kasing ito itong taong to, itong reading na to, pwedeng vice versa. Okay? So, I think, pagdating sa situation, nandyan yung, like, pwede kang mag-offer, pero hindi mo magawang mag-offer. Okay? Kasi maybe there's someone else. Okay? There's options. Ganyan. Sa situation niya, may third party dito. Okay? Or pwedeng, talagang, Hanggang friends lang, okay? Parang gano'n, hanggang friends lang talaga yung tingin sa'yo or yes, no? Yeah. Masyadong busy 'to. Some of you gusto nyo talaga ng reconnection or reconciliation pagdating sa taong 'to. Para yung energy is parang gusto mo siya or gusto ka pero hindi kayang maging seryoso. Okay. So tingnan natin ano ba yan? Nagtatalunan ng card mo? Anong emosyon? Okay, anong emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? The King of Swords, Aquarius, Silent, Detached, and Cold. Okay, so yan siya. So yun nga, maybe they're trying to heal, they're trying to be okay in general. Ooh, the Magician in the effing reversed. Oh no. Some of you may gumagawa. Okay? That is why emosyon niya towards you, it's what the F? Anong meron? Like that. If this is a current person, parang ganyan eh. Like, nandyan yung paghanga, nandyan yung attraction, big time attraction, obsession nga para sa iba, pero hindi kayang mag-offer, no, ng cup of love. Kasi maybe there's someone else in the mix. Okay? So, nandyan nga yung parang, iba sa inyo, pwedeng gumagawa ng kung ano-anong spell. Ha? Okay? Ay. So, oops. Okay, tingnan natin. Nagtatalunan yung card mo, Pisces. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Anong emosyon mo pagdating sa kanya? Sa taong iniisip mo, anong emosyon mo? The King of Cups in reverse. So, pwedeng yung emosyon mo nakabaliktad, like nakatago, or emotionally immature ka. Ha? Okay, yeah. Again, kanina nakita ko to. Some of you talagang attracted ka sa taong to, no? Yes. Attracted ka big time. Yep. Why the King of Cups in reverse? Assure emotion. The Two of Wands. I think andun yung like pagiging confused, no? So siguro yun nga, pwedeng alam mo itong taong to, there's someone else, no? May commitment na, ganyan. Pisces, ano to? Ha? Ano ito? Okay, so emotion mo pagdating sa kanya, you're like on a crossroads, confused. Ano bang gagawin ko? Ito ba? Ito? Ganyan. Okay? Anong next action ng taong to? If ever. Wait lang po. Okay. So, anong next action niya towards you? The Two of Swords. To avoid you. Okay, to avoid you. The Sun is in the reverse. Kasi nandun yung bakit ganito? Ang dami niyang tanong. Okay, parang hindi na to dapat. Hindi na dapat to. Parang ganyan. Okay, they will try to avoid the situation. See? The Three of Swords. Pwede talagang meron ditong third party involvement. Or itong ginugusto mo, itong taong ito, meron na tong someone else. Ha? 2 plus 3 of swords is 5 of swords. Five of Swords is conflict. Okay? If ever na gumawa ito ng next action towards you, there is big conflict. Equals big conflict. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong outcome nyo. Anong outcome nyo, Pisces? Ng person na iniisip mo. The Nine of Wands in reverse. And the Five of Swords. See? The Five of Swords. Ito ha. Outcome, the Nine of Wands in reverse. Pag to totally inalis, pag to totally parang give up, the Five of Swords in reverse. Which is, makakaalis sa conflict. Okay? Makakaalis sa conflict. Huwag na lang bigyan ng chance itong situation na to. Okay? Mapa-past man or yung current person mo ngayon, hindi nyo na dapat ito pagbigyang talagang oras. Kahit gustong gusto mo or pareho kayo. Ha? Yeah. Mas magiging okay kung hindi na lang. Okay, Pisces? So, yun ang ating reading. So, nandito nga, it's time for me to heal now. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Okay? So, yeah. Healing. So, yun po ang ating reading for you. Okay? So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes. Bye.